In this video, I will show you how to locate an article in the library's databases using an APA citation. There are many ways you can do this, but the easiest way is to type in the title of the article in the main search bar on the library's homepage. To get to the library's homepage, type in memphis.edu/libraries. I will type in the full title into the main search bar and then click Search. If you are off campus, you will need to click the yellow banner at the top of the page to access the database. The first two results that appear are the correct article. The way you can tell is by looking at the information underneath the title. You can see that the author, journal title, year, volume number, issue number, the page range, and the DOI all match the citation you began with. To access the article, you can click on either HTML full text or PDF full text, or click on the title. To share this with yourself, you can use any of the tools on the right side of the page. You can add to a Google Drive, add to a folder, print it, email it to yourself, save it, export it, or you can save the URL by clicking on the permalink and it will pop up. You can then copy and paste this into a document. If you want to email it to yourself, click on Email, type in your email address, and then click Send. To access a citation, click on Cite, and then scroll down to the APA format. You can see that this citation matches the one we began with. From here, you can access the article on the left side of the page by clicking on HTML full text or PDF full text. Sometimes you have to go directly to the journal in order to find the right article. If this is the case, begin again on the library's homepage. This time, click on Search Journals. We know from the citation we are looking for the Journal of Research on Adolescence, so I will type that here. If you look at the year ranges, we can access any of these three databases. I'm going to choose Academic Search Complete. You can see the years of publication on the right side of the page. We know from the citation that this article is published in 2018, so we will click on that. We also know from the citation that this article is in Volume 28, Issue 3, so we will click on that. Now we are inside the specific issue of the Journal of Research on Adolescence. We will have to scroll down until we find the article. Here it is as the 8th result. You will access the article the same way as before, by clicking on HTML full text, PDF full text, or by clicking on the title. From here, this journal can help us find related articles. You can see here there are various subject terms related to this article. I could search some of these and find other articles under these subject terms. I don't have to stay in the Journal of Research on Adolescence, so I will replace that journal with keywords. I chose Family Conflict and Home Environment. I'll click Search. Now we have 218 results of articles that have the same subject terms as the article we started with. This can be very helpful for when you find a great article, but you are struggling to find others like it. As you can tell, there are many ways to use an APA citation in the library's databases, and many strategies you can use to find related articles. In the next video, I will explain how you can get help at the libraries and make an appointment with a librarian.